In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the flashlight on my Samsung phone. Let's get started with the quickest method available. This method is perfect for those moments when you need a bright light in a hurry. First, swipe down from the top of your screen. This action opens the notification panel on your phone. You'll see a variety of notifications here, but don't get distracted. This is a crucial step because it provides access to more settings and features than you might realize. Now, swipe down again to fully open the quick settings menu. This second swipe is essential because the first swipe only shows a limited view. Quick settings is your go-to hub for frequently used features. It saves you time by keeping the most used tools like the flashlight just a touch away. Once you're in quick settings, look for the flashlight icon. It usually looks like a small torch or flashlight. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Instantly, the flashlight will turn on, providing you with a reliable source of light. This is particularly useful in low-light situations or when you need to see something clearly in the dark. Remember, this is the fastest way to illuminate your path, thanks to its convenience. If you need to turn the flashlight off, simply tap the flashlight icon again. This will immediately switch it off, ensuring that your battery is not unnecessarily drained. It's always a good habit to turn off the flashlight when you no longer need it. This helps conserve your phone's battery life, making sure you have enough power for other important tasks throughout your day. With that ready, let's briefly recap why these steps are so efficient. By using the quick settings menu, you're cutting down on the time it takes to access your flashlight. This method is particularly useful when you need to act quickly, such as when searching for something in a dark space. To wrap things up, using the quick settings method is not only the fastest way to turn on your flashlight, but it also highlights the user-friendly design of Samsung phones. The ease of access and simplicity of this process exemplifies why so many people choose Samsung devices. They make everyday tasks like turning on a flashlight straightforward and effortless. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to try these steps a few times until they become second nature. Have a great day and see you in the next video.